like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and yes, I'm still sick. I'm doing better every day, but still icky. So today I thought I would do this one. This is Single Swag Halloween box. Now this retails for $49.99. But if you use the code November in all caps, then it brings it down 40%. So I got this, and I also got a Colossal Mystery Bundle. So I thought, well, let's see what's inside of it. And this is still available. That's why I wanted to do this one now. And then I'll do my Temu tomorrow on Saturday this week, because I want to get the rest of them out so you can see what things look like, why you can still get them. Now on Temu, you just push urge in it and urge shipment, and it comes really fast if you do that, because I've had to do that a couple times. And that's Single Swag. Single Swag is a lifestyle box, I guess you would call it. They also have a senior swag, which I think I'm going to get a couple of get one, sign up for that one for my mom for Christmas. And just because I think she would enjoy that more than a FabFitFun. So I'm probably going to do it for November and then December. And then we'll see what's in that. And I'll have all the information below, like I usually do. And so let's just get into this. I'm still sick. I'm still trying. Still no makeup, but I did wash my face, take a shower, and comb and do my hair today. So we're doing good. Well, I didn't really do my hair. I brushed it. But, so we're doing good. I got me a handy Pepsi here to cure what ails me. Cleans all that out. I don't normally drink pop, but it cleans all that out. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. And it has this note from them. It says, enjoy your mystery box featuring the top most favorite full-size items in our collection. Just visit ParadiseDelivered.com or SingleSwag.com for monthly boxes, a variety of mystery boxes, and a high-rated individual items. Use the code HUGS for 30% off your next order. Okay, and that's our Halloween socks. First thing I'm pulling out. And then we got this makeup bag. This is a canvas. That's what the inside is. And the inside is cloth. So, you know, you could throw it in the washer. Which... Okay. Then we got a little ghosty thing in here. And it just... I don't know what it's made of. Oh, it's a sticker. No, it's not. It's paper. That's cute. They're little sticky pads. That's cute. Look, they're little sticky notes. Little sticky notes. You gotta admit, that's cute. I'm digging that. I like that. That's cool. I know, I'm strange. I know. And this is an animated facial max detoxing charcoal. And it's called Spa Life. And yes, my nails look like hell because I don't have my nails on. But come on, people. I'm clean. I changed my sheets. Here's a little chapstick, which I swear I'm going to buy my grandson a whole case of that for Christmas one year. He steals everybody's. Okay, this is Canyon Moon. I'm assuming it's... I can smell it. My nose smells very, very good. It's like clean linen with a little bit of pumpkin in it. That's what it smells like. To me. I mean, it may be different to you because, you know, the whole... I can't breathe out of my nose right now. And hopefully, over this weekend, I'll be able to get my Halloween stuff out. So, we can do that one. Then we got Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner. And I do like that brand. Look, little pumpkin, stress ball pumpkin. I'll put that over here in my tier tray. And then we got Violet Harper. I don't know who Violet Harper is, but we're about to find out. It's jewelry. Oh, two jewelry. I think this is a necklace. Or it might be a bracelet. That's a bracelet. And then earrings. Yeah, I believe it's a bracelet because it's got the slider on it. So I believe it's a bracelet, but it's very pretty. I don't know if you can really see. It's very pretty. I like that. So I'll just sit that here. And you guys know I get their Colossal Mystery Boxes about this time of year all the time because it's great for stocking stuffers. And it couldn't be cheaper. And so I've always been happy with everything I've gotten from them. Now I do find with me, the single swag seems to be a little bit more designated towards me, even though I'm 60. But now they have a silver swag for seniors, and that's why I was going to get that for my mom because, you know, she's kind of growing out of FabFitFun. And we got a sponge gel. Look at that paper. Isn't that cute? We got one more thing. Now, you got to remember, this is $50. And then I had 40% off of that. So, oh, and this is a beanie. It's by the Winter brand. But this is a, oh, it's blue. I thought it would be black, but it's blue. Really pretty. There it says Winter brand. This is well made. Oh, look. Look on the inside. That's awesome. That is awesome. We all need beanies. But anyway, that is the single swag Halloween. And I think it was about $30. You know, you got definitely well over $30 here. Because this beanie is probably 20. Because, you know, it's well made. It's the fur lined and all that. Sponge gel, you know, these are about, what, $12, $15. You got a candle and a necklace and earring set. Eyeliner. You know, it's a little bit of everything. And that's what I like about it. And you know, I'll probably get silver swag for the next two. And then I might start on the senior swag. I mean the regular swag, the single swag. Because, you know, honestly, these are the boxes I really enjoy. I like some of the makeup ones. But in times like this, they do get monotonous because I feel hypocritical opening beauty boxes when I'm too sick to even put on makeup. So anyway, oh, I forgot we got these socks too. So come on back, like, subscribe, and I'll have the team up tomorrow, I promise. It just takes longer to edit, so I'm going to go ahead and record it. And then hopefully over the weekend I can get all my Halloween stuff out so I can do the grand Halloween next week. Alright. Anyway, like, subscribe, you know, do all the YouTube stuff. I'm trying to be cheerful. Bye.